In this tutorial, we'll look at how to apply formatting to bars to enable you to present your plan the way you want to. We will transform the original report into this. In doing this, we'll look at how to extend the bar over multiple rows, set up and apply standard formatting to bars and swim lanes, display a key showing what the colours mean, and we'll also close this gap between the major swim lanes. To start, we will extend the gap analysis bar over 2 rows. To do this, we work in the Bar Details tab and simply enter the bottom row number into the normal Visio row column, and then the top of the bar goes into the Height Mod column. So in this case, we will put row 4 as the bottom and row 3 as the top. If you accidentally allocated a row number which is also a swim lane, for instance row 2, and the number shows red, it's okay to extend the bar over the swim lane, but it's not a good idea to clash with the swim lane. When making major changes to row numbers, it's a good idea to click on the Update Row Data button to check that we've not had any gaps. In this case, we have a gap as we've removed the gap analysis from row 5 when there's nothing else on that row. To close the gap, we could take 1 off everything below row 5, but that's hard work, so SummaryPro provides an easy method. Simply put the row number 5 you need to remove into the row number column, and then change you need to make, in this case -1, next to it. Then click Change Rows button, and the changes will be automatically made. Next, we'll look at how SummaryPro uses styles to control formatting. To control the colors of bars, milestones, swim lane, timescales, etc., we use the color selector section of the standard settings sheet. Here we name the style, decide what to call it in the key, and set the formatting for fill color, pattern, line format, etc. The only thing we don't set here is its transparency, and this is done in Visio. You can see that as we're using an existing template, we have various styles already set up. However, for this tutorial, I'll set up a new one for training. To do this, we enter the style name, training, the key entry, training team, and the details of the colors to be used. In this case, a dark brown fill with pattern 1. We have various patterns we can choose from, as shown on this sheet. The key ones are 1 for solid, 0 for no fill, i.e. transparent. However, we have access to a wide range of patterns and gradient fills, such as 27 that's been used for the other swim lanes. As the pattern is solid, there's no need to assign a background color, and the line will be a simple solid black line. Now, to apply the style to bars, etc. in the plan on a page, we simply enter the style name into the bar colors column. Notice that if you enter style which is not defined, it will display red. If this happens, go back and check the spelling, etc. Note that swim lanes are already set up with styles. This is why they had colors in the original summary report. One minor change that I want to make to this plan on a page is to close the gap between swim lanes. To do this, we simply go back to the Standard Settings tab and change the value in the major space to 0. OK, that's all the changes made. Now let's see the result. Close and save Excel, open the Visio, and double-click the Update button. So you can see the colors have changed. The bars have shifted slightly as we have less rows, and all the labels have moved with those bars. The gap analysis bar now spreads across 2 rows. The gap analysis label is now attached to the wrong side of that gap analysis bar. To remedy this, we simply click on the I button and choose a different gluing point, i.e. on the left-hand side, and attach it to the right-hand side of the gap analysis bar. Now that we're using colors on the bars, we really should have a key to explain their meaning. To form a key, we use predefined key shapes. These are stored on the bottom right. Simply select the ones you want to display, drag them to the desired location and resize. Surround them with a key box, and away you go. Note that if you group boxes, they won't update if you change the style name, etc. Then simply reposition the key where you want it on your summary diagram, and it's ready to use.